Long time, my brother.
You will forgive me, my brother, if I sound too hasty. I'm just anxious to read about my sister.
You may think I'm thoughtless, but you will pardon me if I ask you first. Receive this assessment.
She came here to look for her husband, who was working in the mines. But when his time was finished, he never returned back. Or did he write it all? Is she very sick?
She is very, very sick, my brother. But not the kind of sickness. It is another, a worse kind of sickness. That's why I've sent for you. Because she is a woman that is alone. And secondly, his brother is a priest. I didn't know if she ever found a husband. But she has no husband. It is true to say that she has many husbands. She lives in CAMP, not far from here. It is one of the worst places in Johannesburg. After you can see the police, you can see the liquor running in the street, you can smell it. You can smell nothing else whenever you go in that place. I used it to drink liquor. But it was a good liquor, such as our fathers made. Ay, la masaba na mahirikina. But now, I have vowed not to touch liquor. Made us strong with all the men of our people never used.